Here we can see, guys, that it has 62,000 kilometers, but in fact it has 162,000 kilometers. The owner just told me. Hi guys, behind me it's BMW R55 from 1971. It was a police motorcycle, and now it's restored. It is in black, and it is a very, very nice model. Let's go and see some details. So guys, this is a 500cc boxer engine, air cooled. It has 32 horsepower, and the peak torque, it's 39 Newton meters at 5,000 revs. The owner, it's from the veteran club Maribor, and this one is completely restored, and it looks very, very nice. So here we have these bags. These bags are stock replica bags. They were additionally on this motorcycle, and now we have to say that this was previously a police bike, and as such it had the radio station here, and some additional lights. So on this little frame there were police lights, you know, that every police motorcycle should have. So the story behind this motorcycle, it's an interesting one, because the Yugoslav government decided to buy such bikes. They were 500cc bikes, and also Bulgaria and Romania did the same thing. So they ordered these motorcycles from Germany. If I may show you some details, so here you can see double carburetors. So on the other side it's also a Bing carburetor, and this is an air-cooled R55. It means no liquid cooled system, nothing. This is just a true boxer BMW. So here you can see that it has a very, very nicely made speedo and tacho. So let me show you. Here we can see the tacho, it's down here till 7,000 revs and also a bit more, and the speedo, it's still 200 kilometers per hour. So this was a pretty fast machine that time. So we can say that around 150 would be the top speed of this motorcycle, and as such it was, and still it is, a quick motorcycle in my opinion. So the drum brake at the front and the rear drum brake, adjustable preload, adjustable shock at the rear, passenger foot pegs. I can say that in this black color it's just a wonderful a wonderful motorcycle. So this rack, a chromed rack, wasn't on the police model. The owner mounted this one additionally, and also these bags, because the police motorcycle had their bags that were needed for the police purposes. Otherwise, it still has this white line on the mudguard and on the fuel tank, and the mirrors are round mirrors, chromed, very nice mirrors in my opinion. And here we can see, like on other BMWs, with this you adjust the lightness or the hardness of the steering. This model, it's equipped with the kickstart and also the electronic ignition, and I think that it is just a wonderful vintage motorcycle. So I would like also to mention the handlebar. You had two possibilities: to have this a bit higher handlebar and to have that a bit lowered handlebar. So in this case the owner has this one that it's a bit higher. So you had the possibility to have either the higher or the lower one. So a very cool looking BMW with a very comfortable and soft seat. So on this one you can really munch miles and go on a trip or longer rides. Let's say adjustable, but mechanically adjustable cruise control, and this is this bolt here, so you can adjust it when you ride the bike, and it keeps the steady speed. So a BMW R50 from 1971, a wonderful BMW in my opinion. The R55, a BMW that it's a well-known model, but still very interesting to see in person, and I really enjoyed filming it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.